In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. This straightforward tutorial will guide you through each step and help you get that invoice sent out as smoothly as possible. Let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the HubSpot website. It's important to ensure that you're accessing the correct platform to manage all your invoicing needs seamlessly. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner and spot the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you have the choice to sign in. For a quick and direct login, select Sign in with Google. If you use a Google account, this makes accessing HubSpot far more convenient. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to choose your account if you have multiple. Pick the appropriate one, and that's it. You're in. Now, let's look at the invoicing process itself. In the main navigation menu, head over to Commerce. It's your go-to destination on HubSpot for setting up financial documents like invoices. Once there, click on Invoices. This section is specifically designed for managing all things related to invoices, offering a streamlined environment for easy access and productivity. Next, you will see an option to create a new invoice. Click on Create. This action will initiate the process for a fresh invoice. From there, you have the choice to create a one-time invoice. This is perfect for situations that require a unique invoice for separate transactions or clients. Select this option to proceed. With the invoice creation underway, it's time to add the recipient's details. This is essential for ensuring your invoice reaches the right person or business. You'll input either a contact name or choose from your list of existing contacts. Select your desired contact, and in no time, you'll have the right person lined up to receive your invoice. Moving forward, you need to include the items or services being billed. This is done by selecting the appropriate items from your product library. Make sure you select the correct items that correspond to what you're billing for. Click Add, and the items are incorporated into your invoice. You're almost there. At the top right corner, find and click on Create to finalize your invoice. This action will save all your input and prepare the invoice for delivery. Finally, click on Send Invoice Email. This will dispatch your completed invoice directly to the recipient's inbox, ensuring they receive it promptly for review and payment. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to create and send an invoice through HubSpot. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy invoicing.